Hello, everybody. This is Mel the Money Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode on my channel called Mel the Money Coach. We are doing a series about college savings, how to pay for college, what to do, do's and don'ts, all the things. So today's video, I'm going to focus on having and getting and obtaining a debt-free degree. Now, this is certainly a hot topic, and I know I loved Anthony O'Neill's last book called Debt-Free Degree. Now, there's all this debate out there about student loans, and as you've heard me talk about likely many times, the national average student loan debt is up to 1.6 trillion with a T. Student loan debt. That is just unbelievable. The average, I just read a study that like an average of 65% of students come out with college with at least $40,000 in debt, which is about $400 a month. And as you saw in one of my previous videos, if you haven't seen that one, go back and watch it. The average American budget, on $59,000 a year is average household income. I penciled out the average credit card debt, average student loan, average car payment, average groceries, gas, all the things, average mortgage, all these things. And there's literally zero left at the end of the month. So anything we can do to avoid student loans going to school is so critical. So debt-free degree, is it possible? The short answer is absolutely yes. Now, your first thing to look at if you have a teenager or if you are the teenager looking to go to college, grants and scholarships. There are thousands and thousands of unclaimed grants and scholarships out there. Now, this is just the law of averages and the numbers. If you apply for 10 scholarships and you get 0, well, you should have applied for 1,000, because if you apply for 1,000 scholarships, even if you get 10% of those, that's 10 scholarships. If they're worth 1,000 a piece or 5,000 a piece or 10,000 a piece, then there we go. Now you're making some serious bank. I want you to treat this as a part-time job. As, part of the thing you do with your studies, you do your studies, you do your homework, and you apply for a scholarship. You do your studies, you do your homework, and you apply for a scholarship. Over and over and over again for like 2 years leading up to your graduation from high school. This is so critical. There are so many scholarships out there. And there's all these like crazy scholarships. Like if you are the daughter of a, a seamstress in Orlando and there's a scholarship for you. Like all these crazy things that you wouldn't think were out there. Once you start looking, it's crazy how much scholarships go unused. So that's your first line of defense. Your second line of defense is to get a job in high school and work. And not just a minimum wage job, but a job where you can make $20, $25 an hour, cleaning houses, walking dogs, yard work, landscaping, anything you can do. There's a great, there's a teen entrepreneur toolbox on DaveRamsey.com that's really interesting. And take a look at that. You can really make some serious cash doing all these odd jobs and not just getting a job at a fast food restaurant making $7.25 an hour or whatever the heck it is these days with minimum wage. So think outside the box, get creative, work super hard between, your parents maybe saving money or helping you reduce expenses and working hard. You can do this. Debt-free degree is totally the way to be. Debt-free in general is the way to be, and getting a debt-free degree is even better. So that's all I've got for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video.